Working life. The factory workers were on because their working conditions were very poor, no ventilation, poor lighting and so on. A. Strife. B. Strive. C. Strike. D. Struck. A workaholic is a man or a woman who his or her life to his or her job. A. Earns. B. Devotes. C. Affords. D. Toils. I do not have any degrees, but I have to get this job done properly. A. The knowledge. B. The how-know. C. The know-how. D. The competition. He has decided to have a job because he would like to resume his studies at university. A. Full-time. B. Part-time. C. Plenty of time. D. Extra time. They have distributed all over the town and put others under windscreen wipers. A. Leaves. B. Books. C. Sheets. D. Leaflets. It seems stupid, but to receive a rise in salary it is better to dress well than to go to the office wearing clothes. A. Rusty. B. Shabby looking. C. Derelict. D. Unwholesome. Some people receive not only in times of need but all the year round. A. Benefits. B. Claims. C. Help. D. Welfare. Henry has for a job, but he is still waiting for a reply. A. Read. B. Filled. C. Applied. D. Searched. Being is hard not only on one's finances but on one's morale too. One feels so useless. A. Unemployed. B. Unsafe. C. Exhausted. D. Employed. The poor family heaved a sigh of relief at the end of each month. They had not made any extra money, but they had had enough to A. Give up. B. Make both ends meet. C. Give in their notice. D. Be broke. Sarah was a little money, so Maria lended her a few pounds. A. Down and out. B. Deceived of. C. Supported by. D. Short of. Women have been fighting for over 3 decades and they are still struggling. A. Discriminatory. B. Standards. C. Equal opportunities. D. Equal stereotypes. Most people look forward to the day when they will and be out of the working world. A. Apply. B. Retire. C. Compete. D. Withdraw. Another word for salary is A. Extra hours. B. Prices. C. Wages. D. Opportunities. The term workers applies to manual workers. White-collar workers usually work in offices. A. Red collar. B. Dirty collar. C. Blue collar. D. Working collar. Bill worked at the restaurant and was paid overtime. A. Vacancies. B. Voluntary work. C. Extra hours. D. On a pension. They eventually decided, to the workers' demands, they had enough of all those strikes and wanted to make peace. A. To stick together. B. To yield. C. To exploit. D. To launch. Relations are sometimes tense, the workers wanting one thing and the employers desiring the opposite. A. Working. B. Labor management. C. Claiming. D. Trade union. The downtown area was beautiful, but the surrounding area was a veritable shacks, poverty, unemployment. A. Rag. B. Scum. C. Tramp. D. Shanty town. The old man felt like, in the crowd of young managers. A. A tramp. B. A destitute. C. A beggar. D. A misfit.